Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. I got some parts here, so I'm going to take this and put it in here and put this one on top of that one like that. So little gray piece goes in here, this goes like this, and then this sits in here like that, and this goes like that, and then you get the base for your little fins here. This is going to go in here on this side like that, and there you go. So now you've got one of these engines. Okay, so I've got one of those. I'm going to put the other one on here as well. And that's easily fixable because all I had to do is pop this back on like that. Bingo. Okay, and there we go. Now I got them all flared out, and bingo, you got this thing just like that with this side, and yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, yes, okay. So I'm going to take this, remember I built this a few videos ago. I'm going to hold it like this, and this is going to go on here. Nope, not that way. Did I put this on backwards? I think I did. That's okay, I'll fix it later. I just want to show you how this goes on. Okay, so this goes on like that, only it's being a turd. Come on, get on there. And I don't know why it's being a turd, but it's being a turd. So I'm going to have to apply pressure to it, and there we go. Just like that, okay? So this whole thing comes together, and then these pieces will straighten out like this, and bingo, you have your engine. Okay, just like that. Now I'll put the other one together as well, like this, and we'll have ourselves a little thing where, you know, it'll be all nice and somewhat straight, but yeah, works for me. Okay, so everything flows outward. All right, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.